Hello, in this video we will see what is the filter function in Python, and with the help of these two simple examples I will explain you how to use the filter function in Python. So basically for the filter function you need to pass the two arguments, that is the name of the function and second one is the iterable. So iterable can be list, tuple or set. It means collection of elements. So what filter function actually does, they will apply this specific function onto the iterables or list of elements, and if the function returns true value for that specific element, then that element going to be included into the results. So with the help of these two examples, simple examples, I will tell you how to use the filter function. So as I said, for the filter function you need to pass the two arguments, so filter, and after that you need to pass the two argument, that is the name of the function, and next one is a iterable. So first of all I will declare one list which will contains the element. First example is filter out the even number. Suppose I have declared one list L1 is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. These are the elements of the list. You can add any number of elements. After that that will be the second parameter of your filter, that is the iterable list name, and first parameter will be the name of the function. You can use lambda function as well as normal function with the filter. Consider I am using the lambda function, lambda. Now I will pass one value to the lambda function, and if x mod 2 equal to 0, it means it will compare whether it is equal to 0, then I will consider this x is a even number, otherwise it will be the odd number. So here suppose you have a doubt related to this lambda function, then you can check out the another video. I have already uploaded the video related to the lambda function. Now it will pick up one value from the list and they will check out whether that value mod by 2 is equal to 0. Then that time is, if remainder is 0, that time it will be included into the result. So suppose I said that L2 equal to, so that going to be stored into the list L2. But whatever result you will get, you have to convert that result into the one of the iterable. Suppose I will written here list, means whatever result you will get, you convert that into the list format. You can use the tuple or set as well here instead of list. Suppose I just say that print L2, it means I just want to check out my result. So execute the code and you are able to see they have displayed the 2 and 4 onto the screen. Let me clear the screen, and if I execute, you are able to see the output. Now instead of lambda function, suppose I want to use the normal function here. So you need to first declare that normal function. Consider def, name of the function is fun1. You can give any name for your function, and I will pass one value to that function x, and this function will check out whether this value is even or odd. So for this I will say that return x mod 2 equal to 0. It means if remainder is 0, if I divide it by 2, then it will be written 2. Now here you need to use the fun1 only write down name of the function. Now if I execute right now, they will give me the same result. So you can use the lambda as well as normal function here. Now I will give you the second example how to use the filter function. Consider I have a list of marks and I just want to check out how many students get marks greater than 80. So for that I will declare one list. Consider the list element is a 20, 80, consider 88, 50, 98, 97. So these are 100. These are the values of the list, and I just want to check out how many values are there greater than 80. So for that I will use the filter. I will apply the filter onto the L1. So first of all you need to write down what is the function, means what is which values you want to filter out. So I will use the here lambda function. I will pass one value to the lambda x, and here I will say that if x greater than equal to 80, then include into the result. So they will pick up one value from the L1 and check out whether it is a greater than 18, then that will be included into the result L2. So you have to convert that into the list format or any format, means tuple or set, and after that I said that print L2. So that result going to be printed. Right now if I execute, you are able to see they have displayed all the values which are greater than 18. So here as well you can use the normal function instead of lambda, but first you need to declare that function. So I will use here def fun1. You need to pass one value to this function. Consider x as a value, and after that I will say that return x greater than 80, greater than equal to. So 80 also will be included into the result. So if the value is greater than equal to 80, then it will return true, otherwise it will be return false. So here you need to write down only name of the function. So this function will be applied onto the each and every value which is present into the L2. Which is present into the L1. If I execute, you are able to see the same result you got. So you can use a normal as well as lambda function here. I hope you understand the how to use the filter function into the Python. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.